Hello friends, we have already seen fishing and rough turning. So in this lecture we will see finish turning. So this is a finish turn and we can use this finish turn for OD or ID. We can use for both, and I have already created a tool of OD55 left-handed tool, and I want to create this in this avoidance geometry, and this is my finish pass. Okay, and here if you will click over this display, it will show you the display. So this is the display, and I want to cut up to this point only. So click this, edit region, and under this edit region my excel plane is this point. So it will finish up to this. Okay, and finish all is a strategy, and in forward direction it will cut, and click here to generate, and let's verify it. 2D material removal, and okay, we can check this in 3D dynamic also. Okay, this is the finishing pass. Okay, and if you want to check the IBW, so click on this analyze, see 0 and 7, you can see from this. Or if you want to check out the material, so click this and click over this point 003, because point 003 is a tolerance, so it is approximately near about this. Okay, okay, and okay, and I want to generate the program for this. So post processor and lit 2 axis. Okay, this is a program. Okay, finish turn, left handed OD2D.